Hey everyone, welcome back to another edition of Ordinary Joe with Cars. And here is the new car. It's a 2021 Hellcat wide-body red-eye with 797 horsepower and 707 foot-pounds of torque. You know, this car, once it gets broken in, it's definitely going to be tracked. And we're hopefully going to be running, you know, anywhere, probably low 10s, and that's what we're aiming for on a tire. Unfortunately, we had to let the other Hellcat go, but to me, this is definitely the upgrade. So right now it's got about 40 kilometers because it's just pretty much been lowered from the dealership. It's been tinted and exhaust has been done and the rear diff brace has been done. I had that all done within 2 days of owning the car. Also, I've got the full wide body package on here with a Barracuda spoiler, and I've also got the Brass Monkey bronze wheels, which I think look stellar.